First, I just want to say that no matter what your size, you are beautiful. Your smile, your style. But being overweight is not just about the way you look or how you feel inside about yourself. It's about health. 1/3 of the world's population is obese. And with obesity comes health issues. Some of them pretty severe, that can shorten your life, or at the very least, decrease the quality of your life. And they can all be prevented, or at least slowed down. But this is what we eat. And we eat a lot of it. Because sometimes we can't control ourselves. But some people learn how. And they become successful. And they lose the weight. And they feel inspired and empowered. And they celebrate and they work together to be a new person. But we can hit our low points in our journey and feel like a failure. But you know what? You're amazing, and you can turn it around, and you can ground yourself, and you can get support that you need to get back on track, because you are amazing. And you can learn about your body and why you eat the way you eat, because you're amazing. And you can get the support that you need, celebrating your wins and helping you through your challenges, so that you can be successful in your weight loss journey. And you will be supported, and you will learn beautiful, healthy habits, and they will be sustainable, long-term habits, so that you will celebrate your weight loss journey, just like these people, and take your before and after pictures. All you need to do is register. This program will provide all of it for you. The support, the sustainability. How much is your health worth? Register today, or for more information,